Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. Hit those post notification bells so that as I post a video, you get notified. So yeah, guys, I'm here and I'm about to cook some chicken back with fries for dinner. Yes, guys, today's Saturday, so we just do easy stuff, right? So that's what we're gonna be doing. Yeah, guys. Also, remember you can follow me on other platforms at Fanika TV, but you can find me on Facebook at Erica Shackelford. Yes, guys, and remember you can join my close friends on Patrons. The link is in it's on my Instagram page. Yeah, guys. So stay tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The chicken back already clean up and everything. I just season me. I go season it up because me I go put in a flour and fry it. So that's what we're doing. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you for always tuning in. I just wanted to say big up, guys, because we have been seeing growth in the channel. Yes, so I just wanted to say thank you guys for that. I'm going to be constantly posting videos and giving you guys content to watch. So stay tuned, guys. We are gonna fry some chicken back. Soy sauce. Yeah. So it's some curry fried chicken. Now put enough, just enough. Okay, so me go the flour here me mix up. I will put in all the chicken back in the can now. Just 2 pound of chicken back. But I want this yes, right? Make it. Make it flour. Stay on it for a while. And once it get crispy when fry. Okay, I can just try them alone, can do so. So I go give this couple minutes because the oil are hot. Yeah, I can put in one more. Alright. Crispy guys. Crispy. Chicken. Beautiful. Chicken back guys. Yeah. My son don't really like chicken back, but I think he can eat everything. Although the way I go do it, he must eat it so. He must weird if you not eat chicken back. So me I eat my chicken back with some bread. Me da go cook fries, but not too much oil right now. So that's just I go eat it with some bread. So that's it for the video guys. Thank you for tuning in. Let me just show you how it's here. Oh, good as it focus. So now you feel that's two, that's three. Big ass pretty chicken box. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. See you guys again in another video.